my name is Amy Kim, and for my CEPA 10 network learning project, I learned how to edit videos by only using digital technology resources, including YouTube, Reddit, and Naver, which is a Korean online Q&A platform and affinity space. And I also use some help forums such as Apple support communities. Before working on this project, I did not know anything about video editing. So my first mission was to find a beginner-friendly video editing software. I went on YouTube and Reddit to gather some information and I found iMovie. Now I'm going to show you what I've learned in the past few weeks. My goals were to learn how to arrange video clips in a sequence, split clips, add and detach sounds, insert an image, title and subtitles, and also add transitions. In order to practice my video editing skills, I used the video clips filmed on our school's International Day. On International Day, each classroom represents a country and students travel around to learn and embrace different cultures in the world. This is the iMovie editing interface. You can see all your files that are imported over here. This is the playback monitor, and down here is the timeline. First, we have to create a new movie. To import media, click on this arrow sign and select all the files that you want to add in your video. Arranging video clips in a sequence is pretty simple. Click on the clip and drag it into the timeline. To add a specific clip that we want to use, come back up here and make a yellow box and drag it. I learned that we could also press the I key on the keyboard to mark an in point and press O to mark the out point. We can also move the clips on the timeline by dragging it and dropping it. To split clips, right click on the clip and select split clips. Next, to bring in the audio, click on the audio file and drag it down to our timeline. Like the video clips, we can pick it up and move it around. We can also shorten it and adjust the volume by clicking on the line. So we want to adjust this volume down and volume up. There. Another cool thing I learned is adding a fade in and a fade out by moving this little circles at the end. To insert an image, click on the image and drag it to the timeline. And we can also rearrange it by dragging and dropping. For the title, click on this T icon here and it shows several designs to choose from. So select one and drag and type in the title that you want to use. I learned that one of the complaints that iMovie users have is that the title templates and the text you can put on the video are limited and a little boring. So after doing some research, I found a solution to this problem. I learned that we could use Photoshop or Canva to add a variety of text design. For me, I had to learn how to use Photoshop and I made a text up here, this one. Okay, all we have to do is to drag it in the timeline. Next, click picture in picture. We can also resize the text and put it wherever we want. To add transitions, click this icon over here and choose one and drag. We can also adjust the duration by clicking on this yellow box over here. I learned that the ones that look most professional are the cross dissolve, the cross blur, and the fade to black and fade to white. As a beginner, I'm very happy with my progress. It was really fun to work on something that I've always wanted to learn. Thank you for watching my video.